Hi, it's Miteb, and today we're gonna talk about basic programming structures. Let's go. Like there are three main structures in programming: sequence, selections, and loop. Sequence means executing step by step, step one by step, and like selection means making a decision using a conditions like if else or switch. And loop means repeating a task multiple times. And I have used this code in my use this many three programming in my course. Let's go for question number one. In question number one, I have input five numbers. I have input five numbers. Like I create a program that takes five max as input from the user, and I use a loop conditions like loop structures to repeat the input process five times and calculate the total. I have used calculate the total, and I have used like else if statement, which is a selection structures to determine the grade based on the total marks. Like over you can see if like if I input marks, then it gonna total plus marks, and it gonna show like if it's like greater or equal to 75, it's the distinctions, and if it's like say 65, then it gonna show credit, and if it's like 50, then less than or equals to 50, then it gonna show pass. And if it's like if you get lower number, then it's gonna show like fail. And I have run the code over here in eclipse, and I have input phone number, and it shows like I have input phone number 1 2 470 and 68 marks, total 5, and it gonna show 145. That's the distinctions. And in question number 2, I create a calculator program. Like I use a switch case structures, which is also type of selections structure. Like it allows me to the program to perform different operations such as additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. So if like I input number one, one as a 70, one as a 5, and two as a 10, then if I want to add those numbers, then it gonna result at num1 plus 2, as you can see those over here in the eclipse. I input number 1 as a 10 and number 3 as a second number, and I enter a operator like plus. If I input plus, then it gonna add two numbers. Where I input two numbers, and if I say like division, then it gonna divide those two numbers, and it gonna shows the result. And that's it for today. Thank you.